Let's start moving right away. Move laterally, get the arms swinging, legs pumping. We are building incredible leg strength this week so that we have sharp minds. We're going to correlate our leg strength with our brain health and a long, healthy life that we stay disease-free for as long as we possibly can. Move with me. There really is a blueprint for life. Doesn't matter what language you ask, what country you're from, people will say in their older years, if you have your health, you have everything. We're taking 10 minutes of light, low impact exercises so that we can live as long as possible, but disease-free. Longevity is not about lifespan. It's about healthspan. We want to live as healthfully as we can into our last decade. Come up the ball to your feet. Let's move. I want to get the heart rate up, get the blood pumping, oxygen flowing today. Ooh, yeah, it's a little cool today. Let's open up the chest. Build mobility in the upper back as we build this incredible leg strength. I'm at this beautiful football pitch, soccer for all my North American friends, here in the middle of the Central Park in Helsinki. Nobody around. The early bird really does get the worm. Okay. We're going to come into a few squats. We have to do lots of squats this week, I know. But let's go real wide. Arms out. Sumo squat. I'm into a book about Ikigai right now. It means purpose in Japanese. The sumo wrestlers there are so revered. When they wake up with their purpose, life has real meaning and value. We want to bring purpose into what we do so that we really can remain as healthy and vibrant as possible to the very last day. Nobody regrets not having six-pack abs or beachbody arms at the end of their life. We just want functional fitness that matters, so that we move with ease and strength. You go as low as you can. Maybe it's like this for you. Happy days. I just like this nice wide stance so that we're building some flexibility in the groin as well as incredible leg strength. 3, 2, 1. Brilliant. We want to bring so much mindfulness in what we do. Oh, come up on your balls of your feet. Let's build amazing strength in our calf muscles. Often we neglect the calf. Use your arms. Open up the chest as you come up to the top. Connect the breath with your movement. You come down into a bit of a squat on the way down. We want to do exercise in sessions that we can do every day. We show up every single day. Not the kind of workouts that require days off. We're not training for a marathon. Maybe the marathon of life. This isn't a sprint. But we want to finish that last mile in such peak physical, mental condition. The last years, the best years. Take all that wisdom and knowledge we've accumulated after all those years and share it with the world. Come on up. A couple more. Come on up. Let's hold that last one. Up on your tippy toes as much as possible. Hold it. Just breathe. Just be. Be. Yes. Okay. Nice, active, dynamic stretch. Opposite hand, opposite foot. Point the toe up. Let's really get a nice stretch in the hamstring and in the calf that we've been working there. Find a flow and go with it. Breathe into each movement. Sink a little deeper into each stretch. Just a little deeper. And a little bit more. A couple more. Last one. No rest for the wicked. Okay. Gentle shuffle laterally and come into just a tiny little squat. But see if you can't get up on your toes, sort of just bound to the side. I'm going to just keep repeating this over and over, certainly this week, but as we go forward. Strong legs, sharp mind. Strong legs, sharp mind. I encourage you again, look up the brain docs. There's a lot of other research out there about having strong legs and that equaling a long, healthy life. But you know, if you hear it here, it's the truth. I would never lie to you. You know, if you hear it on the internet, it's got to be true, right? And if nothing else, we're elevating our energy, boosting our mood. A couple more. Brilliant. If you got a chair nearby, grab it. This is stuff in the morning while you don't move while you brew. Let's just do a few nice quad stretches. So countertop is nice for this. You just kind of go, one to the next. So it's dynamic. So we're keeping that heart rate up nicely. If a chair's nearby, that works as well. Or we're just practicing amazing balance too. Now I want to slow it down. I want to hold for a moment. Hold, hold, hold. Other side. Breathe. So we're building strength here. We're building balance and getting a great stretch. Come on. Look how much we can bundle into 10 minutes. How amazing are we? Pretty amazing. That mindset too. Positive outlook. If you think, act, and feel like you're 10 years younger, you will be. Sometimes I think I'm still a teenager. I know I act like one. The maturity of one. See, when you laugh at your own, I don't know if that's a joke. Hold it there for a second. We're supposed to focus. This is serious. I apologize. More serious. What could be more serious than standing out early morning in the woods talking to yourself? I'm not talking to myself. I'm talking to you. Okay. Last one. Clearly, the endorphins have kicked in. I am feeling amazing. Oh, I'm going to tie my shoe very fast. Since we're there, come on down. Hands on your shins, flat back if you can. Feel a stretch in the backs of your legs and in your back. Oh, if you can really elongate your back, neck, stretch it out, and just be there for a moment. Sink down a little bit deeper. Bend your knees as generously as needed. Hang your head. Oh, okay. Yep, I feel that. Just breathe into it. Sink a little deeper with each breath. And when you're ready, rise up. Give yourself a hug. Thank you for showing up. Well done. There is no way to happiness. Happiness is the way. 10 minutes at a time, 1 minute of working out, 1 minute of movement session. Just keep moving throughout your day. Bring 1 moment of stillness together. Let's just be here now. As much as I feel like the foundation of my health is movement, that movement allows me to be still and silent. And that ability to be mindful and present has made my life exceptionally better. And just bring all your attention into this moment and just be. Oh, shake it out. Well done. I feel like $1,000,000. That is awesome how good movement feels. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing up. Continue to comment. Job done. I showed up. Life is beautiful. There is no way to happiness. Happiness is the way. Let's inspire each other to move more and to live as disease-free and for as long as we possibly can by light bouts of movement every day. See you tomorrow.